What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on IMX Immutable X, which has pumped up nearly 30% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at $1.12. So we're going to be looking at what is its next target. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash back down in value? And also looking at, is now the right time to buy it at its current price range, or if you're looking to sell it, is it time to sell it and take out your profits, or is it better to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, potentially heading towards $2 over the coming days and so on. So we are going to cover buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and also going into 2024. Is Immutable X a must-have crypto in your wallet, and if so, when is it a good time to invest into it? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Immutable X, which is here in purple at 77 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at $1.12, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep as well, meaning it's only basing it off the last couple of hours. Because it's gone through a major pump in value, the graph thinks that's what's going to keep happening over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, we all know that is not the case. So what I am expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, is for Immutable X to have gone for an overall minimal drop in value, potentially trading around $1.05, between $1 and $1.05 is where I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at by the end of the day today. However, that doesn't mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. Of course not. It's likely to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment, potentially to about $1.30, $1.35 before it slowly starts to drop back down in value. So potentially hitting about $1 and $1.05 by the end of the day today is what I'm expecting. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we've got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So once again, this is not realistic. Over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by mid to end of next week, I am expecting IMX to have gone for an overall minimal increase in value, trading between $1.15 to $1.20 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again, it may not seem like a major pump from where it is at the moment, because I am taking into consideration the red days in between as well. It is very likely we are going to see a little bit of a step back over the coming days, over the weekend and early next week, before it slowly starts to gain value back up to about $1.10 to $1.15 to $1.20 by the end of next week is where I'm expecting Immutable X to be trading at. Again, not exactly those figures, but hovering around that target. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again guys, we've still got the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, but not as steep as the previous chart, which means it's a little bit more realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late December 2023, so essentially towards the end of the year, I am expecting Immutable X to have gone for an overall increase in value, potentially heading up to about $1.80 to $2, somewhere in between that price range is where I'm expecting IMX to be trading at by the end of the year. that is if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side, as I am also expecting Bitcoin to be hitting $40,000 above that $40,000 by the end of the year. So if that does take place, we should see the whole crypto market booming and going in a positive direction. By booming, I don't mean a major pump or a bull run or anything like that, but heading towards the positive direction is what I'm trying to say, which again also includes IMX heading to around the $2 mark is what I would expect by the end of the year. But if there are any major changes to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major bull run or a major crash or anything that can have a major impact either in a positive or negative direction on the crypto market, I will of course let you guys know as soon as I can. So guys, make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit $2.52, which we are not close to at the moment. I'm not expecting us to head out from the red zone this year, but Q1 to Q2 of 2024 is when I'm expecting IMX to be hitting the resistance target, which is $2.52. But again, there's still quite a long way for that to happen. But yeah, in between, I'll keep you guys updated on a regular basis on IMX. If you guys want regular updates, comment them down below as well, and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated around 2 to 3 times a week. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale and go into the CoinMarketCap website. And as you guys can see here, the trading volume has gone up by 267% in the last 24 hours, making it $286 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading. We've seen a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers recently, especially over the last 24 hours, as it is pumping, and it is in the top gainers list as well. As you guys can see, the 6th top gainer according to Binance in the last 24 hours, meaning it's performing very well, and the trading volume is likely to go even higher over the coming hours, as we are like to see more people trading the crypto. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on IMX. For those of you asking, is now the right time to buy the crypto? Personally, no, it isn't, as I am expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming hours and coming days as well. So if you're in for the short term, yes, it could be depending on when you sell it, but I don't do short-term trading. For those of you guys who have been following me, know that I'm into long-term trading only when it comes to specifically cryptocurrency. Again, my buying price would be anywhere below 58 cents. Is anything, yeah, below that price range I would buy it. Anything above that I wouldn't invest into the crypto at all. But different people got different opinion and different views and predictions and so on. But yeah, if you guys feel like it's a good time to invest, go for it. I'm just here to give you guys my take and my prediction on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.